Hey everyone, so last week I uploaded a video showing you what was in my fridge as part 1 of my dorm tour. So now we're going to get into part 2, which is the entire hall that I live in itself. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. First thing when you come in through the door is my desk. I just have a bunch of books and school supplies on it, and a little lamp. I also have some string lights that I never hung up. But moving on, it's my fridge and microwave. You've already seen that. I have another desk because, fun fact about this room, it was actually supposed to be a single room, but at some point last year they made a mistake and moved in 2 sets of furniture, so 2 desks, 2 dressers, and 2 beds. Everything is still in this room except for one of the dressers, which is in the lobby. But I tried to get them to move it out, and they told me no, even though it's completely illegal for them to have 2 people in here and keep the furniture in here. It's whatever. But moving on, over here have my rug and my little window slash vanity area. Let me open the window. I had it open earlier, but it started raining. But my nice view of campus from the 3rd floor. And then I just have all my makeup sitting here. This is where I usually film when I have some good natural sunlight coming through. Then we come over here, and beside the beds are my closets. Actually, I just have 1 closet, not 2. I have a hamper and shower caddy and my laundry stuff and my towels and clothes, and it'll probably get blurry and dark once I get in here. This actually goes back pretty far. Like, it's a very deep closet, and just down in the bottom I just keep the boxes that I packed everything in when I moved in, so I can just pack them all up when I get ready to transfer. And then we have the beds, because there are 2, like I said. There's no reason for it to be here. It's too little for this room for it to be here, but there's no sense in complaining because it's November. It's almost December, and they're not going to do anything about it at this point. It's a little tote I showed you, just keeps my utensils in it. And then a laundry basket. It's full, and so is my hamper, just because I'm behind on laundry. There's a little travel bag. There's another one back there, and then some other little totes. And then here's my shoe rack. I actually have way more shoes than this. I just didn't bring them all from home. And then here is my dresser. It's a pretty good size. It has 5 drawers in it. I keep, I'm not going to show you because there's no reason to show you my clothes that I just wear every day. But I will be doing a haul video whenever I go Black Friday shopping, because someone keeps requesting that I do a fashion try on. But yeah, I just keep shirts, pants, and then at the very bottom I used to work at the Barnes & Noble here, so I kept my work shirts in there, my work pants. And then up here is just bras and underwear and that sort. And then there's a mirror here that I never use because look how much space I have between the bed and the dresser. And I also have no towel rack, so they just end up on the side of the bed. But yeah, that's everything, and we'll go show you the rest of the hall now. I'm taking you down the back stairs right now because usually there's a lot of people in the regular staircase because it's open. It's like an open space. I don't really want people hearing me vlog, so this is the 2nd floor. This is our laundry room, if you can't tell already. We have 3 washers and 3 dryers. They are pretty outdated, and I know that 3 washers and 3 dryers doesn't sound like a lot, but I'm actually in the smallest dorm on campus that's mostly single room, so there's not even 30 people living in here this semester, so it works out pretty good. So I'm back up to the top floor, and this is our bathroom. No one's in here right now, but we have 3 showers and 3 bathroom stalls and 3 sinks and a nice window. I don't know why you'd put a window in a bathroom, but it doesn't really go out too much. It just shows like 2 other buildings, I think. That's pretty much it in here. So this is our little side lobby area. It's just a place where we can sit and chill, and then we have 2 computers here and also a vending machine and 2 microwaves that anyone can use, and a fridge if someone needs to just stick something in it. And then on out here, a water fountain, and then 2 public restrooms, because this is a female dorm, so these are like this is the only bathroom that a male guest can use during our open house hours. Then we have a soda machine that actually just got refilled. We haven't had soda in this thing all semester. We finally got some. And then this is our main lobby. If you're wondering like why there's no one in here or why there's no one in the dorm right now, I'm up at like 7 a.m. on a Saturday to film this, just because I don't like to vlog in front of people. But this is like just another area to hang out, and we have a fireplace in here. Online it says that it's authentic, but inside of it has fake logs and it's screened up so we can't get to it. It's blurring, I'm sorry. Let's just zoom that back out, doesn't matter anyways. And then I'll take you to like the main entrance to the dorm. I have more furniture out here. This is the desk that RAs sit at whenever they're on duty. And those are the stairs I have to walk up every single day. And if you'll notice, this is the first floor that I'm on right now. We don't have a basement, and we don't have any residents living on the first floor. It's just the second and third.